Oh no! Ah!
Yeah, this ain't your average Happy Meal. Well, at least it's still got some neat toys. Oh, it bites. Are you feeling all right? Looks like he's feeling better and inspired. Guess he's got an eye for crafting. He's gonna fix up this kangaroo. Let's start with some leg extensions. We're gonna need something sharp. The claws are coming out tonight. Next, those paws. Sand them into shape. Of course, we need a hands-on approach. Some clay will help smooth things out. Now it's time for a quick incision. Of course, he's gonna need some teeth. Cover him up with some yellow paint. And here I thought the platypus was weird looking. Next up, why don't we fix up this giraffe? Let's just trim a little off the top. Now grab the heavy artillery. Take what's left and sand it into place. Don't worry, you'll get new legs. A whole bunch. Some clay and wires will help whip things into shape. Just don't forget to make some room for spikes. Looks like dental's included in your makeover package. But even a scary giraffe could use a fresh coat of paint. We can't forget your spots either. Uh-oh. Looks like something's breaking at the zoo. And not just the fights. Hey, a hippo. Let's clean him up. But first, it's lunchtime. Save those bones. We can use them. I'm starting to get star-nosed mole vibes. But we can use some clay around the jaws. Now let's saw off those legs. We can always get new ones. We'll need some clay, spikes, and a pair of red eyes. Just remember one thing about spikes. They can be a real pain in the back or side. Our zoo's almost done, but there's still room for a gorilla. At least what's left of him. We can rebuild him. Let's fill in those limb extensions. Beads and spikes add a needed touch. As do spider legs. My, what big paws you have. And look at those teeth. Of course, pink really isn't his color. Silverback gray, and blood red for those boils. Looks like our zoo's ready. Well, just not for business. Skibbity, Sprunky, and Transformers all together. What does that make? I don't know. Check the box. Ooh, looks like there's some assembly required. It's time to bring some Sprunkies together. Remember, Mr. Sun is always watching. Always watching. Wow, these building blocks are really going back to basics. This porcelain throne will be Mr. Sun's crown. Now it's time for a few extensions. This stuff also makes for the perfect armor. This'll help our new creation live large. Well, at least he can stand tall with this fancy footwear. Okay, we made something for the feet. Let's move on to hands. We just need one for now. Now, our guy could use a fresh coat of paint. Gray's a nice base, but let's add some color. Guess we're going for the bumblebee look, but maybe not on top. You know, his mouth is looking a little dry. Here, our special potion should fix you up. I'd watch out for that dribble, though. It's not typing practice, but we're gonna need that keyboard. Just cut out some squares. And maybe add some color. Maybe add a touch of black. Now rock those shoulder speakers. Of course, we're gonna need some wires. Don't forget to add a cover too. Now try it out. Some wheels will help get things rolling. No shame in still needing training wheels. He looks good, but he still needs something. Guess we gotta craft up a sword. Just remember to help make it fit. Now for some slime. And a few other finishing touches. Oh, don't forget to oil those hinges. But now, it's time for the big unveiling. Those titans better watch out. Decepticons, too.